Hi, welcome to Kawatso. Learn anything in less than rupees 500 per month.
We will start with understanding what is a database and why we need them. Then we will see how to install both the MySQL server and client in our local machine. The third session will be on creation of database and table. We will also see how to insert data in the same session. After data insertion, the next session will be on data retrieval where select queries are required. The next session will continue the use of advanced select queries. And next we will see delete and update queries. Sometimes we need to alter our table, so there will be an entire session on same. Then we will learn a very important concept of database designing, which is normalization. The 8th lecture will be on first normal form. In the next lecture, we will continue normalization and learn second and third normal form. The 10th session is most important. In this, we are going to learn joins. Finally, multi-table data retrieval will be continued in terms of subqueries in 11th lecture. Learning MySQL is quite a long journey, but the virtual classroom model will help you out to retain most of the concepts. So without wasting time, let's start our first session of Introduction to Database.